Arduino in our projects. First of all, we'll see the understanding Arduino basics. In this, we'll see a simple definition of Arduino. Arduino is an open source platform designed for creating electronic projects. This Arduino should be an open source platform. It should be used by everyone. Arduino is basically a microcontroller. Here is the pictorial representation of Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno is a controller we know. And next, what is microcontroller? In everyone home, we'll see at least 20 microcontrollers in our home. That means we use microcontrollers in TV, headphones, washing machines, refrigerator, everything. Basically, microcontroller is a computer chip that controls larger devices like refrigerator, washing machines, everything. It can be controlled by using a microcontroller. You see in the previous video what is microcontroller, how it can be used in our daily life. Everything will be shown in the previous video. Here all the microcontroller details. Microcontroller is inbuilt in the Arduino Uno board. We'll see the Arduino Uno description. Arduino Uno description. We'll see the definition, things. This is the Arduino Uno picture. We'll see digital pins, analog pins, PWM pins, power pins. First of all, Arduino Uno is a microcontroller board. Mega 328P microcontroller is inbuilt in the Arduino Uno. It is the heart of the Arduino. And next, we are having other components also like crystal oscillator, serial communication. And next, come to its pins. It is having 6 analog pins, 4 digital pins, and 6 PWM pins. It is having power pins also like 5 volts ground. We are having reset button. Everything in the Arduino Uno board. And for Arduino Uno, we are using a programming software that is Arduino IDE. IDE means Integrated Development Environment. We are using embedded C language in this Arduino IDE. By using this language, we can write the programming. Next, we will see some key points in the upcoming slides. Some of the specifications of Arduino. We are having a table for the specifications of Arduino. In this, first of all, we are having in the Arduino microcontroller is Mega 328P, and next operating voltage is 5 volts, and input voltage is 7 to 12 volts, and analog pins is 6, digital pins is 14, and having flash memory 32 KB. And next, Arduino Uno pin diagram. This is the Arduino Uno pin diagram. We are see DC power jack, crystal oscillator, power source, analog pins, digital pins. For serial communication, we are using TX and RX pins. And next, Arduino Uno pins info table. In this table, we will see about the power pins, reset button. What are the specific point we'll see in the previous picture. It is in the table format here. First of all, there is an LED in the Arduino that is used for high and low. Pin 13 is used for LED. When it is high, it will on. When it is low, it will off. And next, Vin means input voltage. Input voltage should be 5 volts. And next, ground pin. Ground means we are having ground pin in the Arduino Uno board. It can be used as per the and next, the reset pin. Reset pin is used for whenever the program running on the board, when we press the reset pin, it will start from the beginning. That means the program will be start from the beginning. And output voltage reference. This means we provide the reference voltage to the board. Whenever there is no proper power, we provide the input output voltage difference. Next, some are PWM pins. PWM means pulse width modulation. There are 6 total pins of PWM. That 5, 6, 9, 10, 11. These are the PWM pins. And SPI. SPI means serial peripheral interface. That we are having 4 pins. SS, SCK, MO, SPI, MIS. These are the pins we are having. provided to the analog input pins, that means analog reference. And next, two-wire interface. Two-wire interface means we are having A4 and A5 pins or two-wire interface pin. And next, serial communication. Serial communication, we are having two pins, that is receiver pin and transmitter pins. Receiver means 0, transmitter means 1. Receiver means to receive the data and transmitter means to transmit the data from the board. And next, external interrupts. Pin 2 and 3 are the external interrupts. And next, components overview. In this we are having components, the description and the role. First of all, Arduino board. It is a microcontroller used for some projects. And next, programming fundamentals. Arduino IDE, integrated development environment. In this we are having libraries. And next, simplifying the code. And in this we are having for open, new, uploading code, dumping code, everything we'll have in this IDE. From the system to the Arduino board, we can upload the code by using a cable. And next, in this programming fundamentals, we'll see Arduino programming language. Arduino programming language, we are using embedded C programming. In this C or C++ we are use, sometimes we use embedded C, sometimes we are use C++ language. And for the specific components we are using specific libraries. The libraries should be included whenever we are needed. And some project examples. Smart homes. For smart homes, we are using in school and college projects. And in the learning tool, we are having some home projects or managing light or temperature. That means light projects means also a school projects which are used as a as in the science square. And next, these are the applications we are using in our daily life projects. And next, robotic projects also, we are having robots also like smart home, agriculture robot, earthquake robot, line following robot. Like that we are having some of the robots. And connected devices should be a sensors, IoT applications, everything. And next, summary and best practice, we see summary and best practice means which pins can be used, which amount. In these digital pins we are using very high amount, that means every time we should use the digital pins only. Most commonly used digital pins. And next, analog pins. Analog pins are used for some of the sensors only, not for all. Some of the sensors only we are using analog pins. And next, PWM pins. PWM pins are used for speed and speed adjustments, speed increase. For analog pins we should use. And next, types of Arduino. Arduino should be various types like Arduino Uno, Arduino Mega, Arduino Nano, Arduino Lenoid, Arduino Duo. First of all, Arduino Uno. We'll see the Arduino Uno picture first. This is the Arduino Uno picture. In this picture, we'll see the digital pins, analog pins, PWM pins. We'll see everything. And next one is Arduino Mega. In this Arduino Mega is large in size. These are having pins. Next, Arduino Nano. This is a picture of Arduino Nano. And next one is Arduino Lenoid. Arduino Lenoid is another type of Arduino. Different types of Arduino boards we are having. We'll explain in this. This is Arduino Duo picture. Next one is another type of Arduino, lily pad Arduino. This is very small in size. These are also belongings to the Arduino family. There are another type of Arduinos are also. The next, popular Arduino boards. Here we see the description. Arduino Mega, Arduino Uno. Everyone has having input and output pins. There are difference in the input pins, digital pins, analog pins, PWM pins. You see, Uno has having 14 analog pins, 14 digital pins, 6 analog pins. And next, future of Arduino. Arduino will have great future because it will collaborate with both IoT and AI. This collaboration will include the cloud services also. This is the overall explanation of the Arduino. Thanks for watching.